So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GIGA Game 60 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. So, dito guys sa dial, ida-dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then guys, after nyan dito, piliin naman natin yung number 5, which is yung giga/araw-araw. So, type natin yung number 5, and then send. And dito guys, piliin lang natin yung number 1, which is yung giga. So, type number 1 and then send. And after yan guys, hanapin nyo naman yung game. So, nasa number 7 siya. Kaya ang i-type natin is number 7. And then, send. So, dito guys, piliin nyo yung number 1, which is yung GIGA Game 60. So, type natin yung number 1 and then send. And ayan guys, dito, makikita nyo nakalagay is kapag daw nag-register tayo ng GIGA Game 60, so makakakuha tayo ng total of 6 GB. So, 1 GB para sa games, araw-araw para sa ML, PUBG, 10 more. So, total of 3 GB yun guys, kasi 1 GB araw-araw, plus bukod pa doon, mayroon pa siyang additional na 3 GB para sa 3 araw din. So, for only 60 pesos. So, total niyan guys is 6 GB ang ma-avail natin sa GIGA Game 60. So, para ma-register or subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!